The SpeedForm Chrome Tailgate Handle cover is a great option for this 2004-14 F150 owner that prefers the chrome look and missed out on ordering chrome options from the factory. This is a good option if you don't want to break the bank ordering a whole new handle, and it's a good alternative to replacing a weathered or dingy one at the dealer at a much higher cost. This cover is a peel and stick install that I'll be giving 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Expected to take you about 5 minutes. Handle covers like this one are a very inexpensive and simple way of changing your tailgate from a stock look to a more flashy, stylish one. The handle cover's 2 pieces are ready to mount out of the box with the 3M automotive bonding tape already applied. This is a very strong bonding solution that doesn't require making any permanent modifications to your truck's tailgate. And if you ever want to go back to your stock handle, you'll be free of any damage if you take these off carefully. SpeedForm's tailgate handle cover is molded from high-impact plastic that has an OE quality for a from-the-factory look. It's finished in chrome plating to match any chrome accents you may already have. This handle was designed to last for a long life on your truck. It'll have no problem handling the abuse of daily driving or going off-road. The chrome finish and high-impact plastic will last for years without cracking or chipping. And as you can see here, this isn't meant for the F150s with the camera hole. An OEM tailgate handle from Ford starts at over 80 bucks and can go up from there. So with a price just south of $30 for SpeedForms, you're going to get a similar look but with tons of savings, as long as your factory handle is still functioning underneath. We offer a range of pricing options for handle covers as well as options for F150s equipped with cameras. And if you need an entire replacement handle, SpeedForm has you covered there with a chrome option as well. I'll be giving this an easy 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. This is only going to take you 5 minutes. The only tools you'll need is some soap and water to clean the surface area of your tailgate handle so the 3M tape will have a good seal. Once the handle is dry, remove the tape release liner from your chrome cover and place it on top of your handle, pressing down firmly for a good seal, and then repeat the process for the other piece. That's my review and install on SpeedForm's Chrome Tailgate Handle cover. Check this out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.